Hello, good morning, dear all. I am here to teach you the fundamentals of designing. If you are learning designing, you need to understand the basics. If you understand the basics and your basic is clear, then you will understand the designing better. Take your pen and paper and note down the concept. So, let's start. Before starting, I request you all kindly like, share and subscribe my channel to be updated the latest videos. So let's come to the point, concept of designing. First of all, it comes the elements of drawing. The elements of drawings are points, line, shapes, tones and shadows, plane, texture and color. There are many more, but we need these primarily elements for the basic purpose. First one is point. This is a point. Every drawing begins with a point. It is the most primarily aspects of any pictorials and graphic representation. Point can be employed in several ways of instance. They can project expressions. If the point is repeated in an orderly manner, it creates tensions and effect of movement. The ideal shape of a point is a circle. It can also be in form of square or rectangles or triangles. Next one is line. Line are elementary in all sorts of geometric constructions. They have vast applicability and easy to implement. Shape refers to an idea of a real imaginary object that is defined and determined by other elements such as value, line color, texture, shape. A circle is square and triangular, the basic shape in nature. Tones and shadow. Shadow and tones are the method used to trick the brain into perceiving a two-dimensional object as a three-dimensional one. Plane. While dabbling with the art lettering, one should give in more attention to the employment of background space. Such a space are two-dimensional. These kind of space process height and width or length and width but not the depth. Next one is texture. Texture refers to the surface quality of an actual or represented substance.